Yes, hi again, everyone. So let us check what's happening, or how are we looking to trade USDCHF starting next week. Because as you know, in Saturday we prepare, or during the weekend we prepare the markets for trading next week, right? Those who are using moving averages, they can use at least I think 50 moving average to check the direction of the trend, whether it is going up or down. Because remember, I am a trend trader. I only trade in the direction of the current trend, right? So as we can see, the price is busy chopping up and down this 50 period moving average, right? I'm not going to sell simply because the price is below or above the 50 period moving average. No, I need the price to move above or below the 50 period moving average. But I don't like using indicators too much, so let's delete these moving averages. So I perform multiple time frame analysis, especially when my entry time frame, which is for an hour, when they're not making sense, I tend to I like looking at higher time frames. So as we can see, I am having this support, right? Meaning the price might go up from somewhere around here at the support area. Because you should know, buy, support, sell, resistance. Keep things as simple as possible. Once you have learned how to draw them properly, you buy and sell them. Sell resistance, sell resistance, sell resistance. You understand? So because I am not I don't trade range, I don't trade ranges. I don't like markets which are moving sideways. So in order for me to understand the proper direction of this market, I will go to higher time frames. Let's say for this example, let's go to weekly and see how our weekly is doing. This is us performing multiple time frame analysis, right? Guys, when you have a downtrend, like this, when you have a downtrend like this, right? Look only for selling opportunities. Look to sell right here. Look to sell right here on this resistance. Look to sell right here. Don't look for buying opportunities. Only look for selling opportunities when you have a downtrend. So in this case, as you can see, the weekly time frame is on a downtrend. As you can see, this whole move right here, we are considering it to be a downtrend. This whole move right here, this whole move under a weekly time frame, right? Performing multiple time frame analysis can be difficult if you have not practiced enough. So, but when we go to lower time frames, I can remember we have a downtrend under weekly. But when we go to lower time frame, daily and the H4 and the 1 hour, you might find that the market is doing the opposite. It's creating either a short-term or a long-term uptrend. You understand? So you are not going to sell on lower time frame simply because you saw that the weekly is going down, right? We are still analyzing further. So let's go down to lower time frame. Let's go to daily. As you can see, this is that minor uptrend that I mentioned. Here it is, minor uptrend. What are you supposed to do when you have an uptrend? You are supposed to be looking for buying opportunities. Right here, should be looking for buying opportunities only because the market is going up. Bear in mind that the long-term trend is down on weekly. Bear in mind that the weekly is currently going down. And then this push up right here, it is only this minor, okay, it is only this minor push or swing on the weekly. It's only this minor swing on the weekly. You see what I'm trying to explain to you, right? So because daily is not our entry time frame as well, I will be looking to either buy or sell from H4 using this analysis, using this information that I've given to you. It's either I am supposed to be, okay, let's say based on the uptrend of this, let's say based on the uptrend of this daily, right? Let's say based on the fact that daily is going up. Where can I look for buying opportunities? I will look to buy here. I will look to buy here. And then to confirm if whether this area is right for me to enter, I will try and look for confirmations. For example, one, I will look for a bullish candlesticks right here, right, to indicate to me that indeed the price is starting to be rejected. But mind you, bear in mind, I will not be buying from daily. I will go down to H4. Let me delete this. And then again, as a confirmation, I will use stochastic. What I want to see is for the price being over sold. And then I will know that this area is right for me to buy. Right. So how will I go about buying inside this USDCHF based on my entry time frame, which is H4? Let me delete one because now there's two of them, these areas. Okay, this area right here is the one that you saw me sorry guys. Yeah, this resistance, this support is the one that you saw, the one that I was talking about on the daily, this one, right? How I am going to enter this trade is I need to see the price coming further down, deep a bit deeper inside this area, so that I can look for buying signals right here on H4 time frame. So this for me would have been, this candlestick alone would have been a confirmation enough for me to buy if it was deeper in this area right here somewhere, so that my risk to reward will be good. Otherwise, the other way I can go about entering this trade is that I can go to lower time frames like 15 minutes time frame. Where is 15 minutes time frame? 15 minutes time frame, right? You see this line here? Let me put a red arrow. You see this resistance? It is this one from the H4. This one being pointed by the red arrow. So the way I would go about entering from 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame is that I will want to see the price. I will wait for the price to come up, right? Come up, break out of this area, come back right here, so that I can look for buying opportunities, and then the risk to reward will be a very good one, because my trade will look something like this, right? Something like this. Let me go to the daily. Because this is the nearest resistance, so my price from a 50-minute time frame will look like this. You understand what I'm giving you guys? So I don't want to keep the video long, and guys, please remember to like and subscribe, so that you can have access to this information every time I am posting new videos. So in conclusion, on USDCHF for the coming week, I'll be looking to either buy or sell, because I'm not having a clear direction yet. So for you to grasp this information, remember to repeat information. Keep things as easy as possible. Repeat information. The power of repetition is very, very powerful. Right, guys? So yeah, thank you for watching up till the end. Cheers.